What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin, baby Dogecoin today. But first, please hit that like button and subscribe. Helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also, please check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Get those free stocks, store it in the Dogecoin, do what you want. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So as you can see here, Dogecoin did not continue to go down to the 25-cent resistance. It decided it was going to break out and go right back up. Pretty much everything inside the crypto market is starting to go up, even the stock market. But yeah, we'll look at this. We just rejected that whole support line and we're like, nope, we're going right back up here to our resistance. So it's going up to the 29-cent resistance. That's our next line of resistance. So as you can see over here, 43.6% dominance inside of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's going up here. We got Dogecoin at 4.86% up. We got Bitcoin at 3% up. So yeah, everything's going up right now, and hopefully it continues to go up, and hopefully it doesn't continue to go down. But anyways, yeah, our next resistance will be 29 cents, and we're about to break that honestly right now. And then if we continue on this uptrend here, then we'll finally get back up to our 31-cent resistance, and eventually up to our 35-cent resistance. So that's what we're going to see inside of the short term. But anyways, if we get rejected at this 29-cent resistance, then that's probably going to send us back down to 27 cents, possibly 25 cents if we get rejected at 29 cents. So hopefully we don't get rejected at 29 cents, because if it does, then that's going to be a bad day for crypto and for Dogecoin. But anyways, let's move on. So Dogecoin, we got $37.4 billion in Dogecoin right now. Lots of money right there. Dogecoin at the number 7 crypto here. And we got Cardano at number 3. But anyways, let's move on to our whales of the day. So this is one of the whales of the day. $82.7 million purchased of Dogecoin yesterday from this whale. That's a lot of money at 27 cents. But anyways, now that $82 million is now $85 million. So overnight, this Dogecoin whale made $3 million. Huge money right there. Big money. Seeing a lot of big money opportunities with these whales. This next whale came in with $53.4 million, and that $53.4 million is now $55 million. So they also came in yesterday. And then this Dogecoin whale is kind of similar, but they actually sold. So this Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, or no, they came in earlier today at $26.8 million, and now they have $27.4 million. So this Dogecoin whale, yeah, they did a little day trade today, made a quick $1 million like it was nothing. So yeah, these Dogecoin whales are seeing the potential in Dogecoin. They're seeing the potential inside the whole crypto market, because the crypto market is going parabolic and just crazy right now. Crazy numbers coming out in crypto. We got Cardano at 285. That's crazy, because just a few months ago, Cardano was $1, literally $1, and now it is 285. So that is really crazy right there. Now, I do want to move on to something big that's going on in Dogecoin right now, which is this Turkish thing. So Turkish prosecutors investigate alleged $119 million Dogecoin mining scam. So yeah, a literal Dogecoin mining scam going on. So anyways, unwitting Doge investors were promised attractive returns of 100% in just 40 days in exchange for depositing their money. So, pretty much like exchanges, it's almost like the staking opportunities. So Turkish media reports that authorities there are investigating an alleged Dogecoin mining scam that pulled the rug on investors after amassing $119 million worth of deposits. So, a Monday report from local channel TV100 broke the news that the police identifying persuasiveness online avatar Turgut V, I guess that's his name, as the scheme's suspected operator. So, authorities believe that Turgut and 11 associates managed to gather close to 350 million Dogecoin valued at $119 million. That's huge, $119 million. But anyways, before disappearing, so they disappeared with the money, they ran off with it. But anyways, Target reportedly solicited investments from 1,500 Turkish citizens, drumming up excitement for the Dogecoin mining operation at in-person network events held at ritzy locations and by using a Telegram group online. Investors were promised returns of over 100% in 40 days. I mean, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true anyways. And the operate reportedly paid returns for around 3 months. So investors were told that Dogecoin they sent would procure new equipment to mine Dogecoin. Similar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin is created through proof of work, blah, blah, blah. The miner solves the equation, blah, blah, blah. You know how mining works pretty much. But yeah, the miner solves the algorithms, the equations, or whatever you don't call them, and then they receive the crypto reward. So the operation ran smoothly for its first 3 months, with early investors receiving their returns as promised. However, after the scheme's total value locked peaked at 350 million Dogecoin during its fourth month. The funds reportedly disappeared. So the chief public prosecutor's office of the Prosecutors, whatever you want to call it, whatever this is a Turkish word of Istanbul, inside Turkey, is now carrying out an ongoing investigation to locate Turget and their 11 associates. So he literally ran off with the bag. They're scamming people left and right out here. So you really got to be careful with stuff like this. Like, that's why I bought a Ledger Nano X. I'll actually do a video on how to put your cryptos on your Ledger Nano X. But anyways, yeah, you always want to have a hardware wallet. You really don't want to give your money to anybody. I mean, they gave him Dogecoin, so then he would buy mining equipment, and he didn't buy any mining equipment. But I would never send Dogecoin to anyone if you're not getting something directly for it. Like, if they're not instantly sending you something when you instantly send your Dogecoin, I would never send it to anybody. But this is just crazy. Let's keep going though. The chief public prosecutor's office. Yeah, we already read that actually. So down here it says the recently surging popularity of crypto assets in Turkey has brought with it an increase in scammers. So yeah, a lot of scammers are starting to come out in Turkey now because they're like looking at it like this is a big opportunity. Over here it says at the end of April, Turkish authorities jailed 6 suspects associated with the collapse of local crypto exchange Dodex. So see, this is why these exchanges are so dangerous. Like, you could literally get scammed by an exchange just like that. Like, Binance US could close up right now. They could close up shop right now and take everyone's crypto. Like, it's nothing safe over there. But anyways, Ledger Nano X or whatever hardware wallet you want to use, you use that. Like, I have the Ledger Nano X over there. I just got it in, so I'll be doing a video on that and then show you guys how to put different cryptos on there. There's a problem with people trying to put ERC20 tokens on it, like Shiba Inu, and they don't really know how. So I'm also do that. I haven't done it yet myself. So when I find out how, I'm gonna do a video on that about how you can put ERC20 tokens on your Ledger Nano X. But anyways, let's move on to our next thing. But before that though, 4 employees of the local Vbit chain exchange were arrested for allegations of fraud. So literally, these exchanges, they're doing a lot of fraud to people, and they're not centralized. They're not regulated by the government. That's why the government is trying to put regulations on these. I definitely believe some of these exchanges should have regulations on them, right? But we shouldn't have the huge tax regulations. But, regulations for certain exchanges to list and to actually operate in the U.S. and all over, they should definitely have some kind of regulations because they can just do stuff like this where they take your money and run off with it. So anyways, let's move on to Baby Dogecoin from here. But anyways, let's talk about this 1.1% inside Baby Dogecoin up for the last 24 hours. That's all right, but Baby Dogecoin is still down. I mean, it's still down a lot. So hopefully Baby Dogecoin could rise. And I'll see if I can even put Baby Dogecoin on my Ledger Nano X. I'm not sure if you can do that, but I'm going to find out how to do it and then report straight to you guys about it. But anyways, that's why I don't really invest in too many cryptocurrencies unless I got something secure to put them on. And I trust the Ledger Nano X. I trust it a lot. So hardware wallets, not your keys, not your crypto. So let's move on. Now, let's talk about this $443 million inside of Baby Dogecoin. Now, you always see these huge jumps inside Baby Dogecoin. These are just whales buying in, selling off, whales buying in, selling off, whales buying in, selling off. And right around now, we should probably have a whale buying in again. So we're probably going to have another jump in Baby Dogecoin very soon, just based off of our previous movements and what we usually do in Baby Dogecoin. So yeah, we may have a large influx of money coming in. But anyways, we do need to talk about this. 574,000 people invested inside Baby Dogecoin. That's 574,562. Hit the refresh button. 574,586. Bunch of people just now invested in Baby Dogecoin within the last 10 minutes. I always have to do that refresh because you just got to see how many people are really investing in it 24/7. But anyways, we're about to have this AMA with Baby Dogecoin. So this Baby Doge AMA is about to be big. Meet the founder, learn more about Baby Doge on our AMA tomorrow at 8 p.m. And this was posted to Twitter yesterday, the 26th. So around 8 p.m. today, we're going to actually have this Baby Dogecoin AMA. And they have all the times here for San Francisco, 1 p.m., 3 p.m. for Chicago, 4 p.m. for New York City, 9 p.m. London, 10 p.m. Johannesburg, South Africa. We have 11 p.m. Moscow, Russia. We have 1:30 a.m. inside Mumbai. Up in India, we have 4 a.m. Hong Kong. We have 5 a.m. Tokyo and 6 a.m. Sydney. So I guess I'm in Florida, so I guess I'm on that New York City time because we're on that East Coast. So about 4 p.m. for me. So anyways, we're gonna have this Baby Dogecoin AMA. So I'm probably gonna watch it and then report straight to you guys what happens during the AMA, so then we can be completely informed on Baby Doge and what's going to be going on, because Baby Doge has been going down a lot lately. Like we can't lie about that. We can't deny it. Like it's just been going straight down. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see what they bring to the AMA and what kind of support they bring to all the holders, because let's be honest, a lot of CBENU holders are losing faith in CBENU, and Baby Doge holders are, they're losing money, not faith, but they're losing money inside Baby Doge. So it's definitely going to be cool to see what happens with Baby Doge and how much they really talk about and what they really have going on. So the next thing we do want to talk about will be Baby Doge inside this AMA, but also the burn with Baby Doge. Just think about it. 4 quadrillion Baby Doge. Let me go right over here to the Twitter post so you guys can see it, so I'm not just talking about it. You guys don't see what I'm talking about. So yeah, the 2 quadrillion Baby Doge, and then they got the 20K retweets, which is bringing it up to another 2 quadrillion, bring it to 4 quadrillion Baby Doge being burned. So once this 4 quadrillion is burned, I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, it may go up just a little bit, but burns, they're not really to make the crypto go up. Burns are just to keep the crypto at a certain price so it doesn't go below a certain price. Because you got to think about it. If most of the Baby Dogecoins are held up inside of a burn wallet, that means that if everyone else is holding their Baby Dogecoin will never fall below a certain point, because a lot of it's burned and it can never be sold. So the price will never drop below a certain point. That's pretty much what burning does. It doesn't rise the price of it. It just makes sure that it doesn't go below a certain price. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section and ask me anything. Ask me what you want me to do next, what kind of video you want me to make next. And yeah, please hit the like button, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm out a lot for my videos. And also check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.